Do you know, as human beings, we hate being uncomfortable. It's not nice, isn't it? We want to be comfortable, we want to be cozy, we want to know what's coming, but it's also bad. Neuroscientists shows that your brain is developing, the mass of your brain. Roughly at the age of about 25, give and take, your brain mass stops growing. Now, what can you do as an adult to keep your brain active and growing it and to make sure it's still active and it doesn't slowly fade? This world is actually designed with a variety of spices to be able to push yourself a bit to a point where you try something new. I heard some people were going, Sudoku, yeah, some crossword puzzles. To do something new is actually a bit uncomfortable sometimes. It might be exciting, but when was the last time you pushed yourself so far that you feel a bit uncomfortable, worried? Is it going to work out? Starting that new venture. When you do something a bit out of your comfort zone, your brain activity gets in a hyper state. Your brain is actually growing and it's evolving. And you see people live a life where they cut, copy, paste. They do the same thing over and over and over. And you know what happens? Our energy levels drop. Our learning ability drops. Everything. And we feel like we're at this ultimate low in our life. Can I encourage you a bit? If you feel like this, try something new. If you're a leader, do something different with your staff. Try something. Record yourself. Try public speaking. Try to close a deal. Go and see a client. Do something that you've never done before. And you're going to see your brain is going to get into an active state. Your creativity will kick in. To grow your emotion of gutsiness, confidence, that drive, you're going to have to go outside of your comfort zone. So here's a quote for you. You will never learn inside your comfort zone. Learning only occurs on the outside of your comfort zone. It's the moment when you try something new, like skydiving. You're going to learn, where's the cables? Where do I hold? What's this watch? What am I doing? When was the last time you did something for the first time? My name is Trevor Ambrose. Push yourself out of your comfort zone, learn something new, feel alive. Hey, we've got free videos on our website. Go to trevorambrose.com. If you want to learn a new skill or a course, we've got online courses that you can follow along, or connect with us via our social media platforms. Leave a comment below of something that you've tried and it literally scared something inside of you, but you've learned a new technique or a skill. I look forward to hearing from you.